Wow. Lovely. Great. Lovely. I love it. Hi, fan. You low-key kind of heavy, bro. Here, Alexa, play girl K-pop.
The playlist Rediscover Pentagon on Amazon Music.
What the fuck? Okay, that's fine. I know you love K-pop then. Alexa, play Twice.
Twice released a new album, Ready to Be.
Oh, yeah.
To play it on Echo, you need to upgrade your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription.
Tell yourself.
It's
Alexa,
$8
play Luna.
Luna released a new album,
You
Christianity
love it.
Product. To play it on Echo, you need to upgrade your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription.
I'm sorry.
It's $8.99 a month until you cancel. Turn to
Alexa,
the Alexa app.
Alexa, play bath music.
Relaxing massage from Spotify.
I'm sorry for no K-pop today. I know you love your K-pop. No K-pop. Oh, yeah. I know, you hate it. You can't leave, I'm not letting you. Ew. Ew. Stop the shake. Now I feel bad. Are you enjoying your spa music? Thank you. Look, you're done. That's it. No way, no. No more. You're such a silly little goose, Daddy. Ew, I'm not wet. Look what you did. You're not wet. Wait, I'm not your study? How old are you? You're not dating. Just on your face. Why are you putting on your face? What are you doing? And then we spray her down. We spray her down with strawberry pound cake because it's a thing she enjoys for some reason. Alright, there you're all done. You're done, that was it. Ew. My pants are all wet. Thank you for watching Bath Time.